Good morning. Welcome to this update on BTC. So let's have a look at the price action. So we did not really break above 94,700. Now we've made it back into this volume profile old range, which is sitting from at the time of this recording 86k to 92.1. So what we've seen here is we saw a bit of sell-off, and we did see a back test of this value area high that's shown here. Back tested it twice and got rejected, and that's where I am short from. So that was a very easy textbook short position with your stop above there. And now we're probably going to come back and fill this whole range to the value area low. Now there is a potential that we may find support at 87,500, but it doesn't look that good, and the reason being is we do have a lot of liquidity underneath us. Everybody's going long at the top, and we do have some inefficiencies as well underneath us as well. There is another secondary short position basically at the PD low. If we backtest that, get rejected, there is another short position. But the more importantly is that we have lost the previous month open as well, which doesn't look very good for Bitcoin, to be honest, guys. Does not look good at all. Now if we do lose, and we have a naked point of control here, if we do lose this area here, I think we're going to see a lot lower prices. There's a possibility that we can come back and fill this as well, and 83,000 and 80,500 as well. We really need some buyer pressure coming in, and we don't see that, and we really need to close a daily candle above 90,500 for us to be bullish and come and claim the naked point of control that's above us and sweep this liquidity as well. So I'm just keeping an eye out on price. I will be taking a long scalp position. There'll be a scalp only, and I do have the two short trades, one from the top, one from there, as a hedge. And in this market you need a hedge, guys. Simple as that. It's a liquidity game, and I do have a course coming out on liquidity as well, which helps you navigate liquidity levels. Now one thing I do want to point out, and I can't find it now, I don't know why I can't find it, because I was talking about it all week, is this open here, 90,500, that opened on, that was a Saturday move. So Saturday we shot up, but you can see there's no wick on that candle. So usually when we see, or if you see in the future, a open with no wick, we usually come back into it, and that's exactly what's happened here. And this was actually given in my Discord and Telegram channel, that we'll probably come back and visit this. So every trade that we've taken up there was a scalp, but we were really looking for swing shorts, and I am looking for another swing short as well. And if we do come back to this area here, probably look to add to the short as well. So this was expected. There's nothing, that's shocking me here. It was expected. We saw this consolidation, manipulation period. We saw, this is called expansion. We expanded, and now we are distributing. So this buyback here that we saw here we still have a lot of high leverage traders there, so do expect us to come back into this range as well. Looking at the higher time frames, let's just get rid of, looking at the higher time frames, nothing really has changed. We're still back in the, we're still attempting to go back in the December range, and I do see that we may see obviously lower prices. I think we need one more push down to really base out, before we, and we need to see some consolidation before we can see some higher prices. I do expect Bitcoin to go higher this year, but I don't expect it to go from the range we are in now. And because this wick here that we have, and that's from, when was that? That was the 21st. It usually gets filled. I mean, that wick will get filled just like the October the 10th wick. You know, let's just have a quick look at how long we was in that range for. We need to, well, that's okay. So it was about 1 month, just less than a month, and this one is 21st of November. That's more. So yes, we're in this range for a very long time. We've attempted 1, 2, 3 attempts to break out. And when I say break out, I mean break above this order block here. Yeah, so 96, but we failed. So it's a high chance we are going to come back and fill this wick. Very, very high chance. Whether we do it today, tomorrow, I don't know. I'm just trading the range. Okay, so I'm expecting some type of base to be formed at 87,500 for another attempt up, but we may get a rejected here at this value area high. Like I said, if we can close and find some type of base above, so ugly low, above 90,500, there is a good chance we can have another attempt, because we do have obviously local liquidity there, so there's a high chance we can take that. And we really want to hold above this. Now let's say if we do hold above this and we come back up to this level, which is the daily open, if we can reclaim that, that could be a nice long position. And you want to obviously look for rejection at PD high for a swing short. Whether that plays out or not, I don't know, but it doesn't look very healthy at the moment. I mean, there's not enough buyer pressure, to be honest. So a quick look at order flow. So we actually saw a lot of selling going on and people trying to long. There was a lot of longs opening up. It's quite visible here. CBD was increasing. I want to go back to actually the, oh, okay, we got it. Let's look at that delta. A lot of people longing. You can see that from the green. A lot of people longing, but the price is dropping. So yeah, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign at all. And so you can see here, look at this, a lot of people longing the top. Wow. Yeah, you're longing the wrong area. A lot of longs, more longs than shorts. And like I said, this is a liquidity game. And then they dropped the price. And, and then we saw a lot of shorts opening and the price went back up to squeeze them. Still more longs in this zone. And this software here actually tells you where to apply those shorts. You've got short signal there, short signal there as well, short signal there as well. Yeah, so we have more, that was more of a balanced range. And then we had some more shorts come in. Which is an acceptable scalp long into VWAP. And now we're in this range here with low volume, very low volume. And right now we can see $10 million longs opening there, more longs coming in. Let's just have a look at the dynamic liquidity. Sell pressure, sell pressure, sell pressure. These longs are going to get wrecked. So I just want to go to the 1 hour chart very quickly. And I'm actually looking for, one second. Okay. Right. So I haven't really looked at much of the order flow in the last 24 hours. I'm recording. That doesn't look good. That does not look good. That's a clear short position. Now, if you've taken my course, you'd understand that. Beautiful short entry. And where did we end up? We ended up at 89. That's just a brilliant. You can make a lot of money in that trade. And here as well. I mean, just, oh my God, look at this. What was going on there? 17 million short longs opening at the top. You're going to get wrecked. So I'm going to have a look at that range quickly. What is that? That was yesterday, I mean, sorry. So let's look at the 15. So you can see when we did actually come down, we failed to backtest the VWAP. That's never a good sign. We are attempting to test that VWAP. Yeah, it looks like it's going to fail, to be honest. So looking at this range, we can actually see distribution now. It's distributing here. over here. What price is that? That is 91.6. Let's just have a quick look. What was? Oh, a lot of distribution. This is selling, and you're trying to long. Yeah. So we have this is easy to understand. We have longs and distribution. So these longs were getting trapped, and that's what happened when we look at the X-ray. So my analysis, and this is not financial advice here, my analysis is that we could come back and backtest this area from what I can see, and we could get rejection. There's a couple of rejection points. So we've got zone 1, we have zone 2 and zone 3. If we close above 92,165 and hold that for a day, only then we're going to see higher prices. But it doesn't look that good because we have a lot of liquidity underneath us. A lot of liquidity, and we have sell pressure, both in futures and spot. So that's all I have for you guys on the TA. There's not really much to add here. I probably will do an update video should we break either this or this. I'll do a more in-depth video, but right now I'm happy holding my short positions, and any scalps that will be taken will be scalps. Any longs that will be taken will be scalps only. Now I want to thank the sponsors of the channel. The first one is BYDFI. If you want to get daily setups and more of altcoins setups, they are doing a fantastic partnership with us where you can open a BYDFI account. If you deposit $1,000, you're going to get $200 free. If you deposit $100, you're going to get $50 free, and $500 with $100 free. This is the highest I've ever seen in this industry, these deposit bonuses. And if you want to join the trading group, that's on Telegram, you can register, verify through the Telegram bot, and you'll get the acceptance in. You do need a minimum of $150. So the second exchange, which I want to give a shout out to, is KUCOIN. If you do get they are doing a deposit and trading bonus. And if you do have more than $500 in that account, you can DM me and we'll give you the free indicator suite. And the newest exchange is TOOBIT. TOOBIT's a quite good exchange. I'm actually testing this exchange right now. We'll be doing a separate video on that. And then we have KCEX and MEXC, which are very good exchanges for scalping. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. And like I said, you know, if we just have a recap, we're in this range now, and we don't know, the market doesn't know which way to really go, to be honest. Now we need to think about liquidity, so we can always think that, you know what, we are going to have some short pressure liquidity here that we can come and reclaim, but we also have more liquidity to the downside. Okay, if you do want to learn about liquidity and how to trade liquidity, or want to learn about order flow, there is a free course that you can do, and there is also a order flow course here, which is very, very good as well. You'll learn quite a lot there, and this indicator can help you as well if you don't want to use order flow. Now I will be opening a Discord, so we do have a Discord coming live this weekend, so I'll be announcing that on X and Facebook and Instagram. So the first 100 people get in free for a month, and we also will be doing live streaming as well this weekend as well. So if you do want to get access to 1 month free of Discord and learn about order flow and learn about scalping, day trading, swing trading and analysis, you can join the Discord. That's all I have for you guys. Take care. Bye.